And I'm happy to inform the country that in less than 100 hours, we eliminated the JEM leadership in the valley, which was being handled by JEM from Pakistan. The details of the terrorists killed, 2 Pakistani terrorists and 1 local conduit. The terrorists have been shared by you by the police in the yesterday's press release. I would also like to tell one thing to the parents of the local youth, especially the mothers, because I understand and I know in a Kashmiri society, mother has a great role to play. Through you, I would request all the mothers of Kashmir to please request their sons who have joined terrorism to surrender and get back to the mainstream. Anyone who has picked up gun in Kashmir will be eliminated unless he surrenders. And this is a message and a request to all the mothers. Please tell your children to surrender. There is a very good surrender policy being initiated by the government so that they can join the mainstream and pursue with their life and their future course. Otherwise, anyone, as I said earlier, anyone who has picked up a gun will be killed and eliminated unless he surrenders.
पाकिस्तान रिटेलिएट करेगा. पाकिस्तान कोई और दूसरा रास्ता नहीं होगा रिटेलिएट करने के बगैर, जवाब देने के बगैर. और उसके बाद बात किधर जाती है? हम सब जानते हैं कि जंग शुरू करना आसान है. शुरू करना तो जंग इंसान के हाथ में होती है, लेकिन जंग खत्म करना इंसान के हाथ में नहीं होती. ये किधर जाएगी बात अल्लाह बेहतर जानता है. इसलिए मैं ये उम्मीद रखता हूं कि बेटर सेंस विल प्रिवेल. हम इसमें अकल करेंगे, हिकमत इस्तेमाल करेंगे.